Hello YouTube. Today I will be showing you how to install and how to use Audacity, which is a recording and sound editing software. Now, you want to go to this site, and which the link will be in the description. And when you get there, just click download Audacity, click save file, wait for it to finish downloading, and then go to your downloads folder, which it most likely will be in unless you have it changed. And then you want to just double click the file, click run, pick your language, click OK, then click next. Read this if you want, and then click next, and choose where you want it to be installed. Just gonna leave it on the C drive. I've already installed it, but just to show you how to do it, I'm just gonna do it anyway. Click next, click install. Once it's finished, click next and leave the checkbox checked and click finish. This is a wiki that gives you tips and tricks, a forum if you have any questions, a manual, everybody knows what a manual is, and quick help. Pretty sure you need to install that for it to work, but just click OK. And this software comes in handy if you are recording music, sound effects, or if you just want to narrate your videos as you watch them. Now, what you want to do is click record, say whatever you want into the thing, and let it record it, blah 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 blah. Now I left that space in there on purpose so I could show you how to trim the audio. So we're just going to scroll backwards. Say you have a chunk of audio that you don't want, or you just want to shorten it up a bit because it doesn't quite match your video. You want to pick your selector up here and select the part of the video, and then you simply just want to press delete on your keyboard and it's gone. Now this is this will zoom in on your audio, so say you didn't quite get it all, you want to go to your selector again, select it and delete. I still got a bit more here. Left click to zoom in, right click to zoom out. And now that you've got your video saved, if you click file and save, then it will only be accessible by Audacity and you will not be able to put it in other programs such as Movie Maker. Now, in order to make it readable by all other things, you want to click file, then export, and I believe it automatically goes to a file within the save file. You can create a new file on your desktop like I have. I've named it sound recordings. Then you just want to name it whatever you want. Click save. There's a bunch of things here you can name to find it quickly, such as artist name, track title, album title, track number, year, genre, comments, and you can also set a default so you don't have to do this every time if you have a lot of the same types of video recordings. Click OK. Close this out. No, I don't want to save changes. Now open your video editing program. Then you want to click, you can click add videos and search for it, or, which is a lot easier, you can just drag them in there. Here's just a random thing that I'm just going to stick in there just to show you. And then you want to find your sound recording folder that you made on your desktop, and here is the file that you just made. Then you just want to choose where you want it to start, just start right at the beginning. Say whatever you want into the thing and let it record it, blah 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 blah. Now I left that space in there on purpose so I could show you how to trim the audio. And as you can see, it works just fine. I'm just going to close that out, and if you thought this video was helpful in any way, just click like below, and thanks for watching.